He's doing really well.
Explore the shared challenges of healthcare professionals and their patients with the Open University's digital activity. Go to bbc.co.uk/Saving Lives in Cardiff and click on the link to the Open University.
Details of organisations offering information and support with cancer or mental health are available on the BBC Action Line website.
I mean, the key question is, where do we begin?
Who do you want to go for?
It went up. You can't be proud of that.
Indeed, it did go up.
And you are making the choice not to do that. That's right, isn't it?
Big questions.
Isn't that the definition of political opportunism?
Unmissable moments.
Classic BBC, that classic.
News night
Thanks, everyone.
with Victoria Derbyshire. Watch on BBC iPlayer.
I'm back to play Cupid, and it all starts with a kiss.
I Kissed a Boy continues Sunday at 9 on BBC2 and iPlayer.
You're watching The Sign Zone on BBC2.
A long time ago, back in the village,
Once upon a time.
Welcome to the 803rd Interstellar Song Contest!
You're John Sharple, I love you. Not you, you show.
Inspector Caesar, there's been a shooting.
Caesar was the best. He had a mind that could unpick any murder.
John Chapel.
Guilty as charged, lady.
You're a good detective. You don't need fictional detectives helping you.
He's an actor, little Eva. They're all odd. We make a good team.
I'm the inspiration. You're the perspiration.
Are you calling me sweat?
Brand new Death Valley starts Sunday, 25th of May on BBC One and iPlayer.
Hello, it's 8 o'clock and you're listening to the Today programme on Radio 4 with me, Amol Rajan. The headlines today are...
Morning.
I've got pizzazz, I've got charisma, and I think outside the box. I'm also capable of being in the box at the same time. I can do both.
You tried Feng Shui?
What?
You move all your furniture around and it gets rid of the negative vibes. I did it with that cake tin. See, it used to be over there. It was very oppressive.
Oh, you joined the art class. Good.
Oh.
It's about society. I feel like I've been born in the wrong social bracket. I've always thought if I can't be normal, then I'll at least be fabulous.
I'll be getting to the heart of some of the biggest talking points of the week, but I won't be doing it alone. I'll be chewing it over with my Great British Focus Group.
Can I ask Lord Dave a question?
Go for it, go for it.
Are you wearing anything or have you just drawn stripes on yourself?
I said to Mum, look, I don't think you should be working Saturdays.